Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to fix Facebook profile pictures not showing problem. So let's get started. First the thing guys you need to do is update your Facebook application and go open your Play Store or App Store. In my case I have App Store, as you can see here, and search by Facebook. And guys, if you don't update your Facebook app, you should be updated your Facebook app and the latest version. And the first thing you can do, and the second step guys you do is go to setting and go to application, and from application guys reinstall Facebook and install again. This is first step number 2. And step number 3 is clear cache app. And if you don't work guys this setup, you should be restart your phone and redemar your phone again, and the problem you will solve. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Keep watching.